Step into the unknown, Mystery Seeker, where the mystery unfolds. High above a quiet valley stood an old mountain that locals had always respected but rarely explored. From a distance, it looked like any other rocky peak, covered with patches of trees and narrow trails. Yet the people living nearby often said that the mountain felt different, as if it held something hidden within its silent stone walls. For many years, hikers passed along the lower parts of the mountain, enjoying the peaceful views and the fresh air. Most of them never climbed too high because the upper slopes were steep and filled with rough rock formations that made travel slow and difficult. One autumn morning, a small group of hikers decided to explore a part of the mountain few people had ever visited. The weather was clear and the sky above the valley was bright blue as they slowly climbed along a narrow path that would between large stones and tall trees. After several hours of climbing, the hikers reached a rocky road area near a tall cliff wall. The wind moved softly through the trees behind them while the mountains stood silent ahead. As they walked along the base of the cliff, one of the hikers suddenly stopped. Something about the rock wall looked strange, almost unnatural compared to the rest of the mountain. At first, it looked like nothing more than a shadow between rocks. But as they stepped closer, the shape became clearer. It was perfectly rectangular, far too straight to be a natural formation. The hikers brushed away dust and small stones from the surface. Slowly, a surprising shape appeared beneath the dirt and the moss. There, carved directly into the side of the mountain, was an old wooden door. For a moment, nobody spoke. A wooden door placed in the middle of solid stone made no sense. Mountains were made out of rock, not walls for doors. The door looked ancient, its wooden surface was dark and weathered, and a simple metal handle hung quietly from its center. The hikers stepped back, trying to understand what they were seeing. Who would build a door inside a mountain and why? One of them suggested it might lead to an old mining tunnel. Long ago, miners had sometimes carved passages through mountains searching for valuable minerals. But the door looked different from anything they had seen in the mining areas. It seemed older and strangely placed far away from any known mine. Curiosity slowly replaced their hesitation. After all, they had climbed this far. It felt impossible to leave without knowing what might be behind the door. One hiker carefully stepped forward and placed his hand on the cold metal handle. The others watched silently. The handle turned slowly with a quiet creaking sound. The wooden door opened just a little, revealing darkness beyond it. A cool breath of air flowed out from the opening, carrying in faint smell of old stone and dust. Using flashlights, the hikers shined light through the doorway. Inside, a narrow tunnel stretched deeper into the mountain. The walls of the passage were made of rough stone, but they looked carved rather than natural. The hikers stepped cautiously through the doorway and into the hidden passage. Their footsteps echoed softly against the tunnel walls. The tunnel continued straight ahead, disappearing into darkness far beyond the reach of their lights. Along the stone walls, they noticed faint markings that looked almost like old carvings. No one could tell how long the tunnel had been there or who might have created it. After walking deeper inside, they reached a wider underground chamber hidden within the mountain. The room was empty, quiet, and covered with a thick layer of dust, as if nobody had visited it for many years. The hikers stood silently in the center of the chamber, wondering what purpose the hidden place had once served. Eventually, they decided not to go any further. The tunnel might continue for unknown distances beneath the mountain. They slowly walked back through the passage and stepped out into the bright daylight again. Even today, the strange door still remains inside that mountain, leaving one question that nobody has been able to answer. Who built a door in the middle of solid stone, and what secrets might still lie deeper inside? Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers, where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.